Welcome to our channel, Learn AI. In a nutshell, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing various industries, bringing about increased efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making capabilities. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to transportation, and retail to logistics, AI is being integrated into all sectors to streamline processes and drive innovation. As AI continues to advance, its potential for growth and impact on industries is limitless. It is an exciting time for AI and its role in shaping the future of all industries. In today's video, we'll dive into the intriguing topic of what AI cannot do and address the pressing question: is AI dangerous? We'll unravel the truth behind AI's capabilities and potential risks. If you're curious about the boundaries of AI and want to understand the reality behind its dangers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let's begin. Creativity and innovation. While AI can optimize processes and generate patterns based on existing data, it lacks the creative spark that drives innovation. Human creativity is indispensable in designing new products, services, and solutions, leading to groundbreaking advancements that AI alone cannot achieve. Emotional connection and customer service. Empathy and emotional connection are essential in customer service and several other industries. Humans excel at understanding and addressing customer needs on an emotional level, providing personalized and compassionate support that AI simply cannot replicate. Ethical decision-making and responsibility. Ethical decision-making requires moral judgment and responsibility, considering the broader impact on individuals and society. Humans are essential in ensuring that ethical considerations guide AI applications, preventing potential biases and harmful consequences. Complex problem-solving. Humans possess adaptability and the ability to tackle entirely new and complex challenges. AI might be proficient in narrow tasks, but humans excel in interdisciplinary problem-solving, drawing on diverse knowledge and experiences. Interpersonal communication and teamwork. Effective communication and teamwork are vital in various professional settings. Humans can read social cues, collaborate, and adapt their communication styles, making them indispensable for successful team dynamics. Contextual understanding. AI relies heavily on data and struggles to interpret context and implicit information. Humans are exceptional at grasping the bigger picture, understanding nuances, and adapting to dynamic situations, making them essential in decision-making roles. Human touch in healthcare. In healthcare, the human touch is irreplaceable. Compassionate patient care, empathy, and bedside manner are qualities that AI cannot replicate, making human healthcare professionals indispensable for patient well-being. Is artificial intelligence dangerous? Addressing the question of AI's dangers, we'll delve into potential risks such as inadequate data, biased algorithms, and lack of human oversight. Understanding these risks is crucial in responsibly harnessing AI's potential. Responsible AI development. Responsible AI development involves collaboration between experts from diverse fields, including ethics, law, and technology. Together, we can ensure that AI systems are designed to prioritize human well-being and align with societal values. Understanding what AI cannot do helps us appreciate the uniqueness of human intelligence. Unraveling the truth behind AI's potential risks allows us to navigate a future where AI and human capabilities work hand in hand. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on AI and technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.